My daughter has this storybook that features pumpkins in it, which we've been reading a lot recently. So when we went grocery shopping this week, we pointed out the pumpkins to her and even let her hold one as we finished up our shopping. In the end, we decided to buy it, and it's been sitting on our kitchen table for a couple of days. October is undoubtedly pumpkin season, with pumpkin spice drinks and desserts left, right, and center. At the base of many of these treats is pumpkin puree, and so in this video, I'm going to show you the simple way I make my very own pumpkin puree from scratch. I'm hoping to use it as a springboard for several pumpkin recipes, perfect for this autumn season. If you have any ideas what I should try, be sure to drop a comment below. After cutting open the pumpkin, I scooped out all the seeds, pulp, and stringy bits. Don't throw away the seeds, as these can be roasted and enjoyed as a healthy protein-packed snack. To keep the pumpkin puree neutral, I didn't season it with anything, but you could sprinkle a bit of salt over the flesh, or you could even sprinkle some cinnamon and a bit of sugar for some extra sweetness. I lay the pieces facing down on a lined baking tray and baked in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. The pumpkin released a lot of liquid during the baking process and came out extremely soft. When it was a bit cooler to handle, I scooped the flesh out using a spoon, being careful not to add any of the skin as that bit is too tough to eat. I put the pumpkin in a food processor and blended until smooth. It really was as easy as that. Pumpkin puree can be used in dessert recipes, as I mentioned already, such as pies, cheesecake, cake loaves, and cookies. Or this is also really great food if you want to start introducing pureed vegetables to your baby. The puree can be stored in the fridge and used within a couple of days, I would say 2 to 3 days, or you can freeze the puree in small batches and defrost to use as needed. The small to medium-sized pumpkin that I used yielded approximately 2 cups of puree. Will you be making any pumpkin recipes this month? If so, I hope this video comes in handy. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe as I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!